Here at Fuse, we stand behind our lens quality. First, we got the best money back guarantee in the business. If your lenses don't fit, just reach out because we custom cut every pair of lenses. We're able to work with you and have yet to meet a fit issue we couldn't resolve in some way. Within our 60-day guarantee period, you can return your lenses for any reason and we'll give you your money back, simple as that. Whether you want a different color or just changed your mind, no sweat. We also offer a lifetime warranty on all products. For our replacement lenses and sunglasses, you can lose one, break them, scratch them, give them to your dog, and we'll send out a new set, no questions asked. It's kind of like buying 2 sets of lenses for one. Plus, you can add an extended warranty that gives you another replacement over the lifetime of your glasses. For prescription, your lenses are covered for life against defects and coating issues. You can also add 1 year of scratch protection for extra peace of mind.